Shares of GameStop and AMC Entertainment plunged today as this David-Goliath battle between professional hedge fund traders and amateur traders continues. Fed-up investors protested outside the Bay Area headquarters of a stock trading platform, Robinhood, today. This all had to do with the company limiting investors' ability to buy those stocks after they went up 8,000%. But it tilted the playing field back to the big guys. And now some smaller local investors are planning to file a class action lawsuit against the trading app. Fox 10's Irene Snyder live with the details. It's a complicated thing to try to explain in a 2-minute TV story, but give it your best shot.
Well, thanks for that, John. I appreciate it. Good evening, John and Christina. There are about 100 people involved in this class action lawsuit, the lawsuit that you had mentioned. Some of them from here in Arizona, others from Texas, others from as far away as Washington, D.C., dealing with a local attorney from here in Arizona. Now, they say the reason why they're filing this lawsuit to begin with is because they say Robinhood is essentially violating the terms of its own service agreement, because in that service agreement, they say Robinhood had said they are going to maintain an open market.
The tale of Robin Hood is a classic one: steal from the rich and give to the poor. It's a concept that attorney Gabriel Vidal says certainly won't fly in the stock market.
Because volume ultimately drives everything. And when you have people with hedge funds that can take out a position that's in the billions of dollars, then they can drive the prices any which direction that they want to.
Vidal says Robinhood made promises of catering to smaller investors, including in their terms of service and open market policy. Then just this week, a number of Reddit users banded together to purchase call options for stock in GameStop, leading the stock prices to soar, reaching nearly $400 by the end of the day on Wednesday. After that, Robinhood restricted trading for that stock and for others.
A lot of smaller investors ended up hurt because of this.
Vidal is now considering a class action lawsuit with about 100 people signing on, including Austin Sear. Sear says he himself tried to buy stock in GameStop on Thursday using the Robinhood app, but he was not allowed to do so.
And their name is Robinhood. And so then to have a situation right now where it seems actually somewhat of the opposite of their original intent it just makes me feel some type of way of using this platform and engaging with this platform, and makes me question really if this is a partner to trust.
And Robinhood has since said that it's going to be opening up again limited options for buying stock Friday, that is tomorrow. They said the reason why they limited it to begin with is because they had an obligation to comply with capital requirements for broker dealers. Reporting live tonight in Phoenix, I'm Irene Snyder for Fox 10 News.